Do you have anything on you that could poke, prick, or stab me?
Why am I being detained?
I already told you you're detained for reckless driving. You're doing over 110 miles an hour, making several lane changes without signaling, cutting off cars. I have enough to take you to jail on reckless driving today. It's all on camera.
I understand. Can I make a call?
No. No.
So I've already been arrested. Like,
So tell me what's going on today.
I'm just trying to...
Tell me why I shouldn't tow your car right now and take you to jail.
I swear, I'm just trying to make it to my football meeting, so
So why would you put yourself and everybody else out here in the roadway in extreme danger because you're going to a meeting?
I do apologize.
Explain that to me.
I apologize.
I don't want to hear your apology. That doesn't matter. Your apology doesn't matter.
You should take me.
There's a difference between poor choices and honest mistakes.
Yes, sir.
This is not an honest mistake. Over 110 miles an hour, not signaling, cutting cars off, that's an honest mistake? No, that's a poor choice. You didn't see that?
I did not see that.
Go ahead, step over here to the back of my car.
Oh, sir.
I already talked to you.
I've already been arrested 2 weeks ago.
What? What were you arrested for?
Because they gave me a DUI, but sir, I cannot be arrested again, sir. Please.
Sit in the car. Sit in the car.
Please, sir. Please, sir. I'm begging.
I'm not saying you're under arrest. You are detained right now.
Please, sir. I'm begging. I swear I'm begging.
Sit right here.
I cannot be arrested.
Sit right here.
I'm just trying to do the right thing.